Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sign up for Vistaprint. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Okay, once it's open, go ahead and go to this URL box and type in vistaprint.com. All right, once done, just hit on enter and wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads, just go ahead over to the top right and hover your mouse into sign in. Okay, as you can see here, we have a drop down. Just click on sign in right here with the blue button. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and go to the very bottom and click on create an account. Now you can go ahead and use your Gmail, Facebook, or Apple account. Okay. If not, if you have, for example, Yahoo, you can go ahead and manually add in your first name, last name, email address, and password right here. So for example, I do have multiple Gmail accounts, so I'm just going to use Gmail right here. Now maybe I'm just going to use this account right here. Now click on continue. Wait for the next page. And in here, as you can see, it doesn't need any other authentication methods. You can just easily go to my account right here. And as you can see, you now have your account profile. Click on it right here and continue customizing your account. That is it. That's how easy it is to sign up for Vistaprint. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.